Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Single, welcoming you to my channel Awesome Codings. So guys, I'm back with a new video in the J.A.R.V.I.S series. Video we are going to code our WhatsApp function which will send WhatsApp messages for us. So let's start without wasting time. Before that guys, if you haven't accessed our J.A.R.V.I.S playlist, then access it now. The playlist is on your screen. I will provide you the link in the description. Save it anywhere so you don't lose any video. Now let's start with the code. Here I am back in my Visual Studio Code. So let's start with the code here. Now we have to send WhatsApp messages. So for that we have to import the web WhatsApp module. So here import WhatsApp which we have installed in our modules video. So this was WhatsApp. Now come to last here. Let me close this one, the copy file. Now here elif send not there elif send and WhatsApp in query, then try then number firstly, and then now number is equals to your country code in the double quotes. So mine is +91 as I am from India, so it is +91. Now here listen or say. So first say enter the number you want to send message. You want to send message. Actually, don't use you want to send message. I have to send message. Yeah, I have to send message. It's more good. Let me format the document here. Yeah. Now here then number is equals to number, actually plus is equals to number plus is equals to listen, and then parenthesis. So this will take the number which we have to send the message. Now here say okay. Now what should I send? What should I send? And then take message. So msg is equals to listen. This is the function we made for listening the query. Now it will take the message from the user, and then py.get, not pyttsx3, py.get dot send what msg, and then the number here. So number number, then the message, so msg, and then we have to give the time it should have sent message. So we have taken the hours of the time here in that time variable. I can't find it, let me show you. Yeah, here it is time in hour. Now here give it, pass the argument time for hours. Now we have to give the minutes. So for that I am using a minute is equals to, a minute is a variable, minute is equals to date time in int date time dot date time date time dot strf time. Yeah, here firstly now dot strp time, now parenthesis dot strp time. Yeah, yeah, and then here as it is the minute, so pass it here minute and do I increment here, as sometimes it gives an error. Do I increment here 1, and then the wait time, so I'm giving wait time 10 seconds, and as it is good to open WhatsApp web first, then send message. Now the accept for the try, accept, not expendos, accept, yeah, say I can't send that here, yeah, I can't send that. So this is the WhatsApp function. Let's check it. Running the code.
Good afternoon, user.
Good afternoon,
I am
J.A.R.V.I.S.
J.A.R.V.I.S made by Mr. Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
Can you send a WhatsApp message, please?
Enter the number I have to send message.
9119082963.
Okay, now what should I send?
Hello, this is a test message.
I can't send that.
I think error happened.
I can't send that.
I think there's an error. Let me check it by printing the error. Error accept exceptions as E, print E. Now run the code again to check the error.
Send that.
Int argument must be a string, a byte-like object or a number, not built-in function or a method. Okay, I forgot to pass an argument here. Then str time, then parenthesis, then in double quotes, percentage, and then capital M. It will provide us minute. Now run the code. It will give us correct answer.
Good afternoon, user.
Yeah.
I am J.A.R.V.I.S made by Mr. I can't send that.
Uh, str time takes exactly 2 arguments, one given. I think there is an error. So guys, the error is because we have given strp time here. It is strf time. Now run the code. It will work now, obviously. Run the code.
Good afternoon, user. I am J.A.R.V.I.S made by Mr. Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
Send a WhatsApp message, please.
Enter the number I have to send message.
9119082963.
Okay, now what should I send?
Hello there, this is a test message. So as you can see guys, it will open WhatsApp web in 39 seconds and send the message in 10 seconds. So let's wait for it. So as you can see guys, it opened the WhatsApp web for me, and here it typed the message and sent it. I did nothing really. You can test it on your own. This was the WhatsApp function of my J.A.R.V.I.S. Hope you liked it. So this is the code. I will provide you it on GitHub and the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.